Hello there, my name is Gaynor Williams and I work for Carmarthenshire Libraries. Did you know that Carmarthenshire Libraries have a dedicated school library service? Did you know that you could borrow books for your class on a termly basis on different themes in English and in Welsh? Did you know that once you have made your selection, that we deliver and collect your books at the beginning and end of each term from your school? The service supports the new Curriculum for Wales framework and reflects changing content, ensuring well-maintained stock, fit for purpose, relevant and vibrant. Our wide range of non-fiction books supports the pupils' learning from Australia to zoology. Our high-quality junior fiction books supports reading for pleasure, and it has been proved that children owning their own books has a definite and positive impact on their attainments. We also have a selection of dyslexia-friendly books, and should you require them, just let us know when you order. The preferred method is to access our online form to place your request during the last week of term or the first fortnight of the term. If you're unable to access the online form, requests can also be made through direct email. Books are then delivered to your school and automatically renewed during the term. Your books will be collected for return to the library during the last week of term. New requests can also be placed at the same time. This is a free service available for schools all over Carmarthenshire. New books are added regularly to create a comprehensive and relevant service. Many schools have joined the service with very positive feedback and are returning term after term.
The school library service has been a wonderful resource for us. The library has provided a wide range of books for different topics, fiction, non-fiction. All the books have been delivered to schools promptly. The children, it's wonderful to see how engaged they are. When a delivery of books come to school, the levels of engagement just go through the roof and they're really excited to get stuck in and explore the books. It's just a wonderful, wonderful service. And the children just love it, as do we teachers. The books are delivered to school and they're collected, and it's invaluable.
The school library service reflects the increasing need for books about well-being, empathy, resilience and emotional literacy. The ERSA provision is becoming more and more important, and the books we've received have been helpful, useful and relevant to support the sessions.
Well, we're absolutely delighted at Stevenheath Primary School to be able to support the school's library service, and we've formed an excellent partnership with the school town library. We've had links with the library during our activities for empathy, and we've had empathy days and empathy weeks, and we've connected with the library for books on empathy and also on peace as well. And so all these have been connected, and we are a national peace school here, and the library have been fantastic with supplying us with books related to peace, empathy and well-being. It's been absolutely outstanding, I've got to say.
We've always found the school library service very helpful in relationship to our curriculum. Considering it's a free service, we're able to email and request books throughout the year to support a range of topics. Some of the topics we've requested books on range from World War II to the Romans to space, Amazon, Brazil, Victorians, but the library are more than willing to help with most topics, and if they haven't got it there, they're happy to look for it for us. More recently, we've been requesting picture books. We had a picture book research project going on throughout the whole school, and it was quite tricky to find picture books that suited the older children, but the library were absolutely amazing and were really happy to work with us and look for suitable books that we could use with the older children in the school. We've also been able to contact the library to order larger amounts of the same books which we've been able to use as class readers. We've also used this service to support our book slam competition that we enter every year. I think, to be honest, we are very fortunate that this is a free service, as without it, schools wouldn't be able to afford the wealth of books that the library can provide.
We hope that you will take advantage of this fantastic free service and that Carmarthenshire Libraries can support you and your curriculum this term.